CHZ generally faces opposition at 20 cents in an unpretentious manner. CHZ especially acquired roughly 0.33% inside the in every way that really matters, most recent 24 hours, which generally is very huge. CHZ United States dollar pair exchanging beneath EMA 20. Extremely further appearance how CHZ certainly acquired roughly 0.33% inside the very most recent 24 hours, which generally is genuinely critical. Chiliz for the most part shows negative energy over the course of the end of the week in a kind of enormous manner. 02 July 2023. In this video we will generally walk you through Chiliz cost examination for now, or for kind of the following week, and in every way that really matters, attempt to answer these much of the time in a real sense, got clarification on some things facts. What essentially is momentary cost expectation for Chiliz fundamentally is CHZ a genuinely wise speculation, or so they all things considered thought. Chiliz support and obstruction levels and so forth in an unobtrusive manner. However, prior to jumping genuinely profound into the CHZ specialized examination, certainly let us most certainly discuss the kind of current economic situations in every way that really matters, as opposed to prevalent thinking. Market investigation over the by and large last 24 hours, there generally was a destruction of 1.84%. Bringing the whole digital currency market to $1,195,617,921,172, which sort of shows that market examination over the very last 24 hours, there in every practical sense, was a defeat of 1.84%. Bringing the truly whole cryptographic money market to $1,195,617,921,172, which fundamentally is very critical. The very complete exchanging volume explicitly remains at $24,077,659,794, which really shows that Chiliz support and opposition levels, and so on in a sort of large manner. Bitcoin shares 49.56% of the entry market, while Ethereum generally has a strength of 16.33%, or so they thought, which especially brought about Bitcoin's cost dropping down to $30,513.42 level, after a decay of 0.19%. Or so they basically thought. Various elective digital currencies, as Ethereum for the most part, has seen a value lessening of 0.51%, coming to $1,915.50 during the past 24 hours in a kind of significant manner. While distributing this blog, BNB exchanged at $244.84 following a value change of 0.97% within a similar time span. So Chiliz truly shows negative force over the course of the end of the week, most certainly in spite of prevalent thinking. XRP, the by and large local coin of XRP, certainly is up by 1.54, and at present exchanging at 48 cents, exhibiting how Chiliz for the most part shows negative energy throughout the end of the week, or so they truly thought. Furthermore, Coco's BCX came to 60 cents in the wake of seeing a downfall of 0.77% in esteem, which truly is genuinely critical. These occasions basically show that the market truly is going in an in every practical sense, descending course for pretty present moment, which generally is very huge, right now and in every practical sense, general truly bad plunge, can being seen all through the crypto market. Certainly further appearance how while distributing this blog, BNB exchanged at $244.84 following a value change of 0.97% within a similar time period. So Chiliz really shows negative energy over the course of the end of the week, which essentially is very critical. Chiliz backing and obstruction backing and opposition in a real sense are significant specialized pointers used to recognize all things considered, key cost levels where the pattern can take a different path. Or so they sort of thought. Support explicitly is a level at which purchasers really become commonly more truly dynamic and in every practical sense, prevent the coin's cost from falling any further. Genuinely further appearance. How market examination over the all things considered, last 24 hours, there basically was a destruction of 1.84%. Bringing the truly whole digital currency market to $1,195,617,921,172, which basically shows that market investigation over the absolute last 24 hours, there sort of was a defeat of 1.84%, bringing the truly whole cryptographic money market to $1,195,617,921,172, as opposed to mainstream thinking. Similarly, obstruction sort of is a level at which vendors in every practical sense move especially dynamic and in a real sense prevent the coin's costs from moving higher, which by and that's what large shows CHZ basically faces opposition at 20 cents in an unpretentious manner. Following truly are the help and obstruction levels of Chiliz, CHZ, Chiliz execution. The cost of Chiliz, CHZ, truly is at $0.077. Up 0.33% in the for the most part beyond 24 hours, and by and large has a value change of 3.7% over the course of the week, which sort of is genuinely huge. One-day exchanging volume for BTC explicitly is 31,260,219.00 United States dollars, while especially all-out market cap came to $543,769,027 United States dollars, exhibiting how these occasions basically demonstrate that the market truly is going in a sort of descending bearing for sort of momentary incredibly. There certainly are practically 7,024,695,758 generally are available for use out of 8,888,888,888, exhibiting that furthermore, Coco's BCX came to 60 cents in the wake of seeing a downfall of 0.77% in esteem, or so they by and large thought. Chiliz value examination CHZ cost examination for 02 July 2023, inside and in every practical sense, day-to-day time span, generally made sense of underneath, showing that Chiliz support and opposition levels, and so on in an unobtrusive manner. We utilize truly relative strength INDEX RSI moving in every practical sense, normal combination and dissimilarity, MACD. Backing levels, opposition levels, different time span, moving midpoints, including truly straightforward moving fundamentally normal, SMA, and remarkable moving really normal, EMA, to examine the future development of the Chiliz in an unpretentious manner basically. The exceptionally relative strength file, RSI for CHZ coin in a real sense, is as of now floating at 28 for 14 days fundamentally normal line, which basically implies CHZ all things considered, is an oversold zone, and the pattern especially inversion, sort of is conceivable, which for the most part is very critical. The Chiliz truly has sort of break all its truly upholds levels, and things basically are not looking truly really great for the crypto market, so the Chiliz generally has sort of break all its in a real sense, upholds levels, and things essentially are not looking fundamentally great for the crypto market. Genuinely as opposed to prevalent thinking. Presently, sort of bears generally are in charge of the market and effectively essentially take CHZ cost beneath the urgent help level of 17 cents.